And now what is going to happen is, please note, the saddest part is yet to come. This revival of the Jews, now they have a country of their own. They are the masters of the area, of the region. The only difference is, and the only breathing time that we Muslims and especially the Arabs are having, is due to a dispute within themselves. The secular Jews, they want that only an economic region should be constituted of this Arab world, capital of the Arabs, oil of the Arabs, workers from the Arab, science, technology, know-how, management, ours. And we shall reap the fruit. We shall reap the harvest. Why to go in for a formal occupation and formal government? Why to establish the greater Israel? What for? You need money. You need profits. What else do you want? If you can control this region, forging it into one economic unit, the whole Arab world, leaving aside only the most western part of northern Africa, this Middle East, which we call, becomes the one economic unit, just as the European Common Market region. Now, we are the people who have the know-how, technology, science, management. Who are they? They are workers. But they have the black gold. They are the owners, so to say, of this region. We should have a practical, pragmatic approach. And we shouldn't try to establish the kingdom, the greater Israel. While now the practicing on the fundamental Jews, they are becoming impatient, dreaming of the days which were prophesied, that a Messiah will come to you and he will take for you the whole kingdom of Solomon, the greater Israel, all the land between Nile and Euphrates. That is ours. We have to establish that greater Israel. This is a dispute in between them. And one thing seems to be common, as far as I can see. Maybe I'm mistaken. They are agreed on one point. And that is why they have kept Jerusalem separate from this peace talks and peace negotiations. Nothing doing. Jerusalem is ours. Take Jericho, a semi-self-rule in Jericho. Take semi-self-rule in Gaza. Don't talk of, don't mention Jerusalem, it's ours. And very soon it seems that they have agreed that they will demolish Masjid Aqsa and rebuild their temple. I wanted to bring with me the map, that the architects in Israel have prepared. And that is now published. This is going to be the temple. What will happen? A reaction in the Arab world, especially the youth, the spirited youth, the fundamentalists. They are very much in number in Egypt, in Algeria, in Saudi Arabia. They are very much in number. The fallout from the Afghan jihad, it is there throughout the Arab world. Then they will be massacred, firstly by their own rulers, who are the stooges of imperialism, the new world imperialism under the name of New World Order, and then by the Christians and the Jews. And that is actually what I am saying about the events that are to come now. Very big wars